Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s squared. Next, we have s minus 2, s minus 2. We can do another factorization. And you got like this. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital AS plus B over S squared plus 1, capital C over S minus 2. Because we have the power 2 in here, so on numerator, we need to reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. So we have S, and later that from S, we reduce to S to the power of 0. That's why we have B. Now, we do common denominator. So, about this one, it is missing about s minus 2. So, as plus b multiplied by s minus 2. About this one, it is missing about s squared plus 1. So, capital C multiplied by s squared plus 1. And now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a plus c. About s, we have negative 2a plus b. About the number, we have c minus 2b. And now, we need to compare coefficients in here. So, about s squared, we have a plus c. A plus c equals to number 5. About s, we have negative 2a plus b equals to number 3. About the last one, that is about the number. So this one should be equals to negative number 1. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to number 0, B equals to number 3, and C equals to number 5. So I will put A, B, C going here. So A equals to number 0, B equals to number 3, C equals to number 5. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.